guys, so we're going river today. I don't even know how to introduce you guys to Akerah yet. This is the friend that said was coming down. Like when we were younger, the adventures we used to go on. It's drag it everywhere. She's gonna go anywhere.
Everywhere though. Yeah. I'm gonna find a rich boyfriend who can drive it everywhere. No.
Too late. So today we're going to the river, guys. So we're in a shop in Happy Grill House. It's called.
Or you bring up yourself anywhere then. Yeah, my rich boyfriend.
So God. Anyway, so we're in the shop now, and we're gonna order some food, and we're gonna go to the river, and we're gonna hold our vibes. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Oh, your number go. We're trying for 1 hour now. We can't reach nowhere.
1 hour what? So, alright guys, we got our food. This man definitely called another person to come and sit in this cab, and I don't know where they were gonna go. Yeah.
Friend can't be a little whole lot and show my friend how she has squeezed up and he might come tap me. No, that camera look good though.
Yeah, but I like today.
I think I hear one first.
Welcome to the jungle.
Called weed.
Yeah.
What's wrong with your friend? Where's that? She said that? What she say? I see her channel. What she say? What you say?
Oh, you pick up your chest.
Go on, I'm white, guys. I saw no one catch me. Why am I so black?
Sorry.
I'm nice.
Yeah. I'm not. In where? The light is this way. Ooh.
Which one of them?
No, look.
You make more look no,
So guys, I just want you to know that we're here in Jamaica. I am from Africa, in Ghana, and let me just tell you how beautiful it is in Africa. This is my crew. My crew is here. The hills and the valleys are crazy. Look at this girl. She's beautiful. Get the angle. Get the angle, girl. Come get the angle. Get the angle. Where is she going? Let's see her foot. We're going to look at her foot. We're going to look at her foot. Show
Watch
me
Nate
your foot.
and still a fast.
Show me your
We don't want YouTube singing that.
Picture her. Ah! What? We get you? Food, we have food, we have life, and from that. You don't know.
What? Why? Oh gosh. Why are we so high up, girl? Oh.
What?
I should have my river shoes. And I really didn't.
Nobody touch this fire.
Yeah, touch it.
Yo. No, I slipped. Alright, hold on. Alright.
girl nice. Nice like a bundle of rice. Yeah. When boy nice. Nice like 10 pound of rice. Yeah.
What's that video?
See there? Find it.
Ah, see,
Find it.
that.
She's so amazing the way she moves. She's so amazing the way she grooves. I'm so amazed by her charms and looks. She entered the place like Red Riding Hood. She's so amazing the way she moves. She's so amazing the way she grooves. I'm so amazed by her charms and looks. She entered the place like Red Riding Hood. I'm feeling you in every type of way. Thinking of you makes my mind insane. Baby cooking for me every night and day. We can chill and talk, feel the vibe in my place, yeah. I'm feeling you in every type of way. When I see you, baby girl, I'm just amazed. I be missing all our sessions on the FaceTime. Baby girl, man, I gotta give you praise. I like long walks on the beach. She likes clothes from overseas. I like music, I'm at peace. She likes watching over me. Even though we different, we can make a difference. We show them how we different be. You amaze me differently. She's so amazing the way she moves. She's so amazing the way she grooves. I'm so amazed by her charms and looks. She entered the place like Red Riding Hood. She's so amazing the way she moves. She's so amazing the way she grooves. I'm so amazed by her charms and looks. She entered the place like Red Riding Hood.
You know who ran fast? And she just a laugh. Ask me new to the school, you know. I don't know this girl really like. We don't know her. And this girl her friend yet? Nothing like that. She just take my chicken and gone. I never know what to do.
We are his friends.
I never even did really vex. I never really
We are his friends.
Yeah, we're never friends
We are
like that.
his friends. But we never cool.
I was just like, what is this? I never know what one. I never remember nothing about our friendship before then. And that alone, I remember start with friendship or something. Come here, sit together, mad. My last piece of chicken. And she was like, my sister say, I couldn't buy one next one, you know. You know, me hungry and hurt. Still look at me and say, shit, from then me and I just turned friends. And I say, oh, cool.
You want some?
Disgusting,
Meanest.
girl. You know, still stealing that
And you
chicken.
come eat.
Disgusting. Oh my god. River is the vibe.
Come to you, right in front of my eye. Farmer is a beach. River, Farmer is a river.
River is nice. So we're getting ready to go now.
What? Nicholas?
Not really gonna see much.
Hello.
But
This is...
Pardon me?
These are the persons that got that man river.